The Lloyd's building in Lime Street was designed by the Richard Rogers Partnership to provide a flexible interior. The exposed coffered ceiling is on an 1800mm grid and includes inset nuts along the grid to fix the ceiling channel, allowing the partitioning to be installed, dismantled and re-erected to suit the changing needs of the business. Ls90 was installed in 900mm modules to allow maximum flexibility and included a special deflection head of plus or minus 25mm. This was installed to take up any movement in the ceiling or floor from applied loads, and was in addition to Ls90's standard tolerance detail of plus or minus 25mm, which lets the partitioning be reused within a building, allowing for variances in the floor to ceiling height. 3 operatives were involved in the process of dismantling the partitioning into its 3 main elements of panel, studs and head base track. The existing furniture was left in place during the exercise, which demonstrates the cleanness of the process. There is no dust or mess involved because the elements are hung in place and joints are dry with no wet trades involved. All the main elements are factory prepared, reducing any site cutting and ensuring that all components are 100% reusable. The largest of these panels required no more than 2 operatives to handle, as Ls90 is a bi-block system comprising of a panel each face. This had the benefit that we were able to show different panels on each face of the solid partitioning, in this case veneer and dry wipe steel, which could be used with magnetic accessories. The head and base channels were installed before the levelling platform was adjusted to take up any variance in the floor level, in this case 12mm. The door frame, which incorporates an adjustment of plus or minus 25mm, ensures that all doors can be reused without the need to shoot in to suit the new position. This was installed with the glazed modules, followed by the solid panels, incorporating a quilt to provide a tested sound reduction of 43 dB RW. All components were reused. The whole process took 3 hours and 30 minutes, which demonstrated that offices could be moved overnight with the minimum disruption to the business and no materials consigned to landfill, therefore providing a sustainable alternative to traditional plasterboard-based partitioning, which would have been dusty and taken longer to build and decorate.